haven't written a blog post in 6 months. Not one. And yet, my site publishes a brand new SEO-optimized article every single day. Some days, two. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this, because if you're a small business owner or a creator stuck on the same content treadmill I was on, this is going to feel illegal. A few months ago, I was burned out, spending entire weekends researching keywords, writing drafts, hunting for images, formatting them into WordPress, and then watching them get zero traffic. Months of work, almost nothing to show for it. So I tried something different. I gave a tool called Outrank my website. Just the URL, that's it. It analyzed my niche, scraped my competitors, found the exact keywords I had a real chance of ranking for, and built me a 30-day content plan within minutes. Then, the part that broke my brain. Every single day, automatically, it writes a full SEO article. Not a half-baked AI mess, properly structured, with internal links, with on-brand images, in my voice. And then it publishes it directly to my blog. WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, Notion, Wix, Framer, whatever you use. While I sleep, my blog grows. While I eat lunch, a new article goes live. I haven't touched my CMS in months. And here's the part I almost didn't believe. While it's writing my articles, it's also exchanging backlinks with other quality sites in my niche, automatically. My domain rating climbed week after week without me sending a single outreach email. This isn't theory. Bogusz domain rating jumped from 34 to 44 in 6 weeks. Roman scaled gojiberry.ai from a domain rating of 2 to 25 in 4 months. Denis went from 0 to 26 in 3 months. Benny saw his domain rating jump from 5 to 25 in just 49 days, and all he did was set up the blog and walk away. The platform has already produced over 750,000 articles for businesses just like yours. I'm not telling you to stop creating. I'm telling you to stop doing the boring part. Let the AI handle keywords, drafts, images, publishing, and backlinks, so you can focus on the work that actually moves your business forward. Free trial. Link is in the description. The first 30 days will look better than your last 6 months of effort combined. Stop writing blog posts. Start ranking instead.